Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module I want to show you how you can use the screen recording feature to create your own training videos, MP4 videos. So I'm in PowerPoint on the Insert tab. If I click on that, on the right hand side you've got the media group with video, audio and screen recording. This is what I'm going to use. When I click on this, it will allow me to capture a screen. So this is on this monitor, on a different monitor if you've got more than one, or if you've got multiple monitors. Whichever monitor or window you want to capture, you can capture it using this feature. So if I click on it now, what it will give me is the option to grab part of this screen or all of this screen or a different monitor if I want. So what you've got across the top there, at the moment it's showing me the window directly behind PowerPoint, which is an Excel spreadsheet. I've got a little toolbar across the top which gives me some key commands such as the logo key, shift and the R key for record, for stop. You've got the logo key, shift and Q, and then you've got select area with the shift and letter A. Now if I select the area, this is the bit that you need to use if you want to select a different window to what you're looking at right now. So if I click on this, I've got this cross where I can move it onto any screen and pick the area I want. Now if I grab all of this, by doing that, that'll grab this window and that's snapped to the window. It's actually picking up this toolbar as well, which I don't really want. So what I normally do is have PowerPoint on a different screen, and the window I want will just be without this little toolbar. So this little toolbar will be with PowerPoint on a different monitor. So I just grab the whole screen. But so you can see what I'm doing, I'll leave this as it is. Now when I click record, it will give me a countdown, and as soon as that countdown finishes, I'm live. I'm now live recording what I want. So you need to plan it a little bit. So I'm just going to delete all this stuff I've put there. Right click, delete. Now if that's all you want to do, this is like a training video, a step-by-step instruction for a new employee or even existing staff for a new product. You want to show them how this particular product works, how the software works for this product. That's what you do. To stop this, I just need to go Windows, Shift and Q, and it will stop the video, snap back into PowerPoint, and you can see the video sitting there. Now if I click on this little arrow, it will start playing. If I stop that and just go further across, so you can see where I deleted all that stuff, wherever it was there, look. So it's recorded my screen actions, and if it isn't correct you can just delete it and do it again. That's the beauty of it. Now if you want to save this as a video to be used by everybody, you need to right click on it, save media, and what it will do is it'll save this as an MP4 file wherever you want to put it. I'm not going to save this for now, but because I don't want it, but wherever you want it to go, that's the form. MP4, that's the format. I just cancel that, and then I'm back to this. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how to create a training video using PowerPoint. So hopefully it was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.